Hola students, otra vez, we're going to do part 2 of this little demonstrative review. All of this is stuff we've already done. You did it on your worksheets and we practiced it in class, but I want to make sure you don't forget. So if you watched the previous video, I already had the demonstrative adjectives listed. We changed them to pronouns by adding an accent. So I've made a quick list of some common nouns, sustantivos. So we've got lápiz, pencil, pluma, pen, chicos, boys or students, sillas, some chairs, puerta, door, and país. País is going to be a great example of something that would be way, way far away because we're talking about a country. So even if you don't necessarily see our acronym way over there, that's a great example of something that would be far, far away. Aquí, ahí, allá. Here, there, way over there. Those are our 3 places, tres lugares. So we're going to treat these like the demonstrative adjectives they are. I'm going to point to this and say, this pencil, if it's close enough for me to touch, I know I'm going to use that first column. So if I want to say this pencil, I'm going to say este lápiz. Porque esta palabra, this one comes before, antes de esta palabra, este lápiz. It's introducing. Now I'm going to point to something and say, that pen. It's not close enough for me to touch, but I see a pen on the ground. I said, okay, whose pen is that? ¿De quién es esa pluma? Whose pen is that? ¿De quién? I'm saying, ¿de quién es esa pluma? Whose pen is that? Esa pluma. Again, introducing. Chicos. So I see some boys over there, and I'd say, hey, I need those boys to come over here and help me. So I'm going to say, esos chicos, o estudiantes, because they're not close enough for me to be able to touch them. So I'm going to go with my second column of words. It's masculine and plural, and this needs to be masculine and plural. So I'm glad I checked. These chairs in my room are blue. So I'm going to take something close enough for me to touch. Estas sillas. These chairs in my room. Estas sillas, even if you're not touching them. Now, puerta. Let's go ahead and pretend we're talking about a building, the other building, other door, some other classroom. It's a door that's far away. So I'm going to go aquella puerta porque esa locación es allí o allá. And finally, the one I already mentioned, país, it's a country like Los Estados Unidos or Mexico, Guatemala. We're talking about another country and it's masculine, so I say aquel país. So remember, the 2 words are going to go together. You're not inverting them, they're introducing them. They are adjectives which describe, so you're used to inverting them, but you're going to treat them like articles. They come before the noun. So I'm going to practice a pronunciation exercise. Este lápiz, repitan esas palabras después de yo, por favor, para practicar. Esa pluma, esos chicos, estas sillas, aquella puerta, aquel país, that country way over there. So when you're faced with the quiz, you're going to look at the noun, you're going to decide what gender the noun is, what number the noun is, and then the location. Aquí, ahí, allá. Where is this thing located? All right, so that's the end of lección 2. Y entonces, si trabaja en la computadora, será lección 3 para ustedes. Adiós por ahora.